We have an enormous amount of leaks of Samsung's Galaxy S10, which finally seems to have an official name. According to rumors, Apple's event in March could be disappointing, and it seems that triple cameras are going to be the thing going forward. I'm Jaime Rivera, and I'm supposed to be in my first appointment already, and I have to rush out. It's a lot of work, but anyways, this is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with the Nokia 9 PureView, that phone with a ton of cameras that we're looking forward to seeing. Apparently, there's already an FCC filing, well, it seems that there's a dual-SIM variant, that there are fast charging capabilities that are variable, and obviously more specifications continue to emerge. I am really looking forward to this phone. Now let's talk about the Google Pixel 4. We're not exactly sure when we're getting this phone or if it's coming earlier than the fall. Thing about it is apparently there are some patent filings for these specific devices that talk about modular functionality, and it seems that this modular functionality will allow it to be more powerful depending on whatever you connect to it, which provides extra processing power. And it sounds already too science fiction, but whatever the case may be, hopefully it's true. Now let's talk about triple camera smartphones. Obviously the Huawei P20 Pro was the first, or one of the first. Then we saw so many others. We've got rumors of Galaxies coming with triple cameras. According to certain analysts, this is going to be the trend for 2019. Not necessarily foldables. Apparently triple cameras are going to be galore in everything as they provide extra functionality. I don't know about you guys, let me know, what do you think? Because apparently every single OEM, even Apple, is going to launch a phone with triple cameras, according to them. Now let's talk about Apple. We've got reports that the company will have its event on March 25th, but we were hearing rumors of iPads and of new AirPods and so many other things. According to some sources, that's not going to be the case. It seems that it's going to be more focused on services, which is weird because usually that September music event, or usually WWDC, is all about services, not about hardware, but apparently this event is going to do the same. I don't think that's going to be the case, but we'll see. And finally, the hottest news today have to do with the Samsung Galaxy S10. We're pretty much a week away from the event. Make sure you watch our rumor roundup. We have a full post as well on Pocketnow with more details on this phone. Rumors are just going to get crazier, as I discussed in the rumor roundup. Now we see full specifications. Now we see that the names that have been rumored, Galaxy S10, Galaxy S10e, and Galaxy S10 Plus, are apparently going to be the final ones. It's really hard to predict, and yes, apparently it's only going to be 3 devices. Whatever the case may be, I mean, look at the specifications. We've got RAM information there and everything in the link in the description. Let us know what you think. I mean, do you think that this Galaxy has everything that would not disappoint you as a consumer for you to buy one? Because in my case, it looks great in paper. Obviously, I can't wait to see the phone and unpack to tell you more. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, or on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.